Hello, it's Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sound. Today I wanted to cover some picking hand techniques, and it'll help with being consistent when you pick and also keep your hand in the right position when you're picking the strings. That's coming up. Thanks for choosing this channel, Your Guitar Guide, and if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Have a look around the channel. If you like what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe button right there for more guitar tips and tricks. Alright, today this video is going to be about your picking hand technique. So if you want to learn about fretting hand techniques, check out fretting hand techniques right here on Your Guitar Guide. Okay, so the first thing we want to concentrate on is picking a string and then resting it on the string below, which seems like an easy thing to be doing, but when you first start out, you're probably not used to holding a pick and picking the guitar, so you might be doing this, picking away. Well, your hand's not supposed to be all over the place, so this technique will help with picking the string and stopping at the string below. Notice how my hand's not all over the place. You can either pick with hovering over the string, or I like to use these fingers and hold it in place. So what we want to do is start out on the second string. First of all, this hand, we're not really going to worry about it. Just cover the strings lightly so it's muted, and we're just going to pick the second string. Let's see if you can get a look at this. That's easy enough, but if you're not used to picking, your pick may try and fly out of your hand and everything else. So pick the second string and stop at the first. Then we're going to go from third string to the second string. Even I overdo it. I hope you can see this. Then we're going to go from the fourth string to the third. It's not a speed exercise. It's to concentrate and look at how you're holding the pick and stopping. It's called the pick rest. And once you do this, it's going to help you. Notice how my hands are not moving. Staying in place. I'm just picking the fourth string and stopping on the third. Now we're going from the fifth string to the fourth string. Really look at it and see if you're having any problems hitting the strings. Turn your pick more of a in towards the string a little bit. Then from the sixth string, we're going to go from the sixth string to the fifth. Alright, so we've got that. Now let's practice going from the sixth string to the fourth string. So we don't want to do this. You want it to sound like this. So they're almost simultaneous when you're picking the two strings. Now we're going to go from the fifth and stop on the third string. We're not trying to do this. we want simultaneous, almost simultaneous movement. Then we're going to go from the 4th string to the 2nd. Stopping on the 2nd string. Then we want to go from the 3rd to the 1st. Now that you've got that, let's go from the 4th string to the 1st string. Stopping on the 1st string. Then we're going to go from the 6th to the 3rd. You don't want that noise, you just want one movement. These are simple exercises, but get very good at holding the pick and picking the strings. And with more accuracy. So I hope you could see that good on the video. If you need more help with knowing how to hold the guitar pick, take a look over at YourGuitarGuide.com. 10 things every beginner guitar player needs to know. So I hope you've liked this little picking exercise. Try it out. 5 to 10 minutes a day and your picking will improve. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thanks.